Okay. It's a lovely little estuary, this is. In Portmaddock, West Wales. Weather's lovely. Time to take the dog out for a stretch of her legs and then see if we can set up the radio here somewhere for half an hour. No contacts on the handheld radio, of course, because we've got all this wonderful mountains nearby, so getting a signal out is very, very difficult. We'll see what it's like on the HF in a few minutes.
Questella di Daminio, 5 Roger. Okay, Roger, 5 QRP Tx for the signal report. Goodbye. QRZ Hotel Zulu Bravo Lima.
Mike Whiskey 6 Lima Zulu Tango.
Bye, QRZ.
Mike Whiskey 6 Lima Zulu Tango.
QRZ Hotel Zulu Bravo Lima.
Mike Whiskey 6 Lima Zulu Tango.
Bravo Echo, Bravo Echo. Okay, radio 20 Bravo Echo 5 9. Okay, goodbye. QRZ Hotel Zulu Bravo Lima.
Mike Whiskey 6 Lima Zulu Tango.
HZ1 Bravo Lima listening for the call. QRZ. Echo Charlie 1 Delta US. Again, Echo. Italy Zulu 4. Romeo Charlie Germany, Romeo Charlie Germany. Italy Zulu 4, Romeo Charlie Germany. Okay, you call Italy Zulu 4, Romeo Charlie Germany, over. Thank you, Minister. 5959, over. Thank you, gracias, ciao, ciao, QRZ.
Mike Whiskey 6 Lima Zulu Tango.
Kilo Lima Charlie. Roger, thank you, Minister. Radio Alpha 1, Quebec Lima Charlie. 20 overnight. Asi Babaka, A61 Fox Kilo. Echo Africa 8, Echo Zulu. Okay, Florida, India. India Delta. This is a Radio 4, Florida, Canary, Japan 20.
Mike Whiskey 6 Lima Zulu Tango.